Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Today we are gonna talk about blackhead remover and pore vacuum cleaner by LONOVE. If you are new here, please consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to like and share this video. I recently purchased it. I purchased it online by Amazon. It only cost $33 in US. So let's open it and see. Okay, so first of all there is this booklet which is kind of boring, but it is very useful. And what else? So we have this pimple extractor. It comes along with this vacuum cleaner. If you got some stubborn pimples, so you can use this. And so there are several things actually. This is the main vacuum cleaner. It has a suction pump inside the whole suction setup, and there is this power button, and this plus and minus are used to increase or decrease suction power. And there is this LED. It shows which power we are using, and it also shows the on or off status of this vacuum cleaner. Now it's on and we can start suction using this plus button. So there are 5 different levels depending upon your skin type. Is your skin very sensitive or it's not so sensitive? You can choose any one suction level. And so we can turn it off. And it is rechargeable. It comes with this USB charger. You can recharge it very easily. You don't need to install any batteries externally. And it comes with 4 different heads. These heads are very useful depending upon the area on your face where you are gonna use this suction pump. You can choose a particular type of head. So let me show you. So there is this ball head, and it is used on your forehead. If you are gonna use this pump on your forehead, you can use this ball section head. And there are 2 circular shaped heads. One is bigger than other. This one is smaller, this one is bigger. And the small one is used near your eyes because skin is very sensitive. So small one is better there. And this big one is used on your nose. And there is this oval shaped head. Oval shaped head is used on your cheeks and on your lips. So yep, depending upon the area where you are gonna use this suction pump, you can use any type of head. And if your blackheads are very stubborn, it's not easy to remove them using this suction pump, then you can complement your treatment with this pimple and blackhead extractors. These extractors are totally free. When you purchase this blackhead remover, you get this extractors for free. You don't pay anything extra, which is nice. And the advantage of using this vacuum cleaner is you don't need to squeeze your pimples or acne or blackheads. You don't need to use any face mask, and you also don't need to use any needles to remove your blackheads. So this is very useful and very comfortable. A lot of people are scared of needles and pimple extraction or blackhead extraction. So for those type of people, I am one of them. This is very comfortable method, and it's not expensive. It's very economical and easily available. So, and now let me tell you about my experience, I used it on my face. It works very well on the nose, but other than the nose, like on forehead and on cheeks, on neck, I did not find it very efficient. So if you got blackheads on your nose, then I will definitely recommend you this one. But for the blackheads and acne on forehead, on cheeks, I don't think it's a good idea to buy this. This is my very sincere opinion. It also comes with this sponge. This vacuum cleaner has a sponge inside which stops dust and other things from going inside. So it gets dirty with time, but you can easily remove this sponge, and it comes with this extra material, some sponge and some washel, and you can cut a piece of it and insert this sponge here, so it will be new again, new and clean. So yeah, I think this is a very useful product and you should definitely try this. Very easily available and very economical, but I don't recommend this for the foreheads or other part of the face. It works well only on the nose. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share this